That's all good. Let's go. Mac, welcome to Bigo. Ito ay isang dalangin, huwag sanang ibagay, matagpuan na ang hanap na pangarap. Kasalanan nga bang umibig? Take care, Jose. Sleep well. Parusang lungkot ang hati. Thank you for being here since earlier. Take care, Jose. Lamig ng hangin ng yakap. General, tuwing gabi, pinipilit mangitago. Hindi kayang maglako ang mga katanungan tulad ng Bomposito. Tulad ng bakit parang sa'kin lamang may kalit dayang tadhanang iyong pansinin. Wala namang karapatan, yes, Jose, go, na pagbigyan ang hiling. You should. Take care, Jose. Lumilipad ang aking isip, hindi terima kasih. Bigla na lang napapakilimachilo. Thank you. Wala nang ang mapagkukunan ng pansin. Pinipilit mangitago, hindi kayang maglako ang mga katanungan tulad ng, uy, accent, ano yun? Tulad ng bakit parang sa'kin lamang ay kalit dayang tadhanang iyong pansinin. Wala na bang karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling? Ang hogingging naghahanda ang puso, kahit ba ako'y masaktan. Kung sino man para sa'kin, di ko sasayangin. Dayang tadhana iyong pansinin. Wala na bang karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling? Kung sino man para sa'kin, kahit magaling, dayang tadhanang iyong pansinin. Wala na bang karapatan na pagbigyan ang hiling? Queenie, Gingging, Lucci, 810427472444. Hello. So that was Healing by Julianne San Jose. I'm Danny Kinusi. Welcome to my stream. Thank you for the 4 stars. Next up, I'm going to sing for you. Let's do Jama, hello. By the way, I should be in the live house later at 11:30 p.m. if you want to pass by. If not, it's all good. Let's do. Ito. Let's do Hulaan. This is by Janine Peñoso. Let's go. Nicholas. Oo nga. Hulaan. Wait lang po. I'm just gonna write it down. Wala. Ulit. Nicholas, low. Bakit ba nagpapakit sa bawat likha mong tinig? Wala namang kasiguraduhan, meron ba akong kalalagyan sa magulo mong damdamin? Di alam kung para sa'kin bang iyong nararamdaman? Kailan mo balak na punan? Yala, ba't lang lumalalim kada hakbang palapit sa jabang? Walang malinaw na sagot, parang palaisipan. Hulaan lang kalaban-laban, di ka maiwagan. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa? Say Jero, hula, 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 hula. Gary, hello, wanted. Sige, sakyan ko na yung gimmick. Halo-halo man ang pahiwatig mo. Dapat na bang matauhan? Apat na buwan ka nang pinagbibigyan. Ba't nang lumalalim kada hakbang palapit sa jabang? Walang malinaw na sagot, parang palaisipan. Hulaan lang kalaban-laban, di ka maiwagan. Gusto mo lang ba ko sa tuwing ika'y nag-iisa? Anong panghahawagan? Di malaman-laman, sa'kin mo lang ito hinawa. Say Jero, hula, 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 hula. Faye, thank you. Hula, hula, hula. Shy, hello. Azayla, gusto lang ako pag nag-iisa. Hi, Live CV. Hanap lang ako pag nangangamba. Puro kamba nakakalito, kaibigin. Kung di pa handa, ba't pabalik-balik sa'kin? Puro kamba nakakalunod, kaibigin. Kung di pa handa, pabalik-balik sa'kin. Ano bang hawagan? Di malaman-laman, gusto lang ako sa'yo. Mag-isa. Maurice, thank you. So that was Hulaan by Janine Tanyoso. I'm Dana Kinosi. Welcome to my stream, everyone. So I think this should be my last song for now. I will go live again later at around 11 because I have an 11:30 p.m. live house. If you want to pass by, if not, it's all good. So thank you guys so much again. Thank you to those of you that have newly followed me. Thank you to those of you that, despite my voice not being so stable all the time and I don't know most of your requests, you guys continue to stay in support, which is so very kind of you. Thank you to those of you that share the live on Facebook and or Twitter, especially to my admin Zerk and to everyone else. Faye, I'm sorry, I'm going to end my live first. Brock, Low Cloud, thank you for some of you that have been here since I started my stream. I think I started around... When did I start? I don't know anymore. Because my phone keeps crashing, so I don't know how long I've been live actually. I think I started at around 7 or 8 a.m. Stable Wi-Fi naman po requires the stable voice. You're doing great. Oy, thank you po. You do great. Oy, thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much. And, ano pa ba? I'm sorry if I couldn't read some of the comments as much as possible. I do try to read everything, and I'm sorry if I can't follow back at the moment. I reached the follow limit again. It's because in Bigo you can only follow till 10,000 people, unfortunately, so I have to unfollow later. Kiki, hello. You guys, I'm sorry, Kiki, I'm not taking requests anymore. Mag-end live na po ako. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. See you again later, 11:30 p.m. live house. Tita, sino to? Lolo Ansis? Ikaw ba yan? Vicky, Cassie. Thank you po. Say, I'm gonna say thanks and end po. Salamat ulit, everyone. Marcos, Luna. Ibang lola ba? Thank you for the 103 gifters for today. I think today's top one is Ate S from Lifestyle, Ate Rain, Nero, the one who's also a Bigo host of On. Support him, guys. Jerry, Admin 008, Danny from a Kinema Squad, Black Panther, Rasta, ARDB Associates. Thank you, Joe Prince, Pepper, who's also a Bigo host of On. Support her. DKSA Family Co, H, Ariana, Steve, KitKat, oy, salamat Mindy, ID Wallace, Jose, I don't know how to say this name, Ren, Cho, Pinky, Mila, Zercy, Roman, oy, happy birthday kay Zercy ulit, Asia, Daday, Overdraft, Biga na tambay. Sino to? Cloud, hello. Sino to? I don't know. Feeling ko matutulog ako muna. Thank you guys so much. See you.